am Lakshmi and I am presenting my web development project Bits and Bytes, a restaurant website built using HTML and CSS. The main goal and responsive restaurant website that provides users with a smooth browsing experience. This website has three main pages: home page, menu page, contact page, and each page follows a consistent layout, color schemes, and navigation structure, ensuring the users always feels connected to the brand. Home page. Here is the index. We use the home page, nav class bar division, and this is all. Here I use nav to define the navigation bar and image logo to define and the left on the links. I use CSS to Flexbox to align them horizontally. Next it is .navbar. Here it comes hero sections which contains the banner, image, heading, buttons and catchers using attention immediately. Then next it comes the background images applied using CSS. This gives full screen hero banner that looks great on the all devices. Then we go to the menu page. Here is the menu page. The menu page displays dishes in sections: appetizers and the main course and the desserts. Each dish shows a menu card with an image, name and a price. Image, name and the price. And the CSS we used for the main cards gives it a clean and attractive look. This is however effect slightly enlarges the card when the user points at it, making it interactive and engaging. Here is the images in the image section, which each image can be stored in image section. Then next we go for the contact page. The contact page contains a simple form built using HTML tags. Here it filled with CSS styling. Below the form I have included contact info, location and the helps user to reach the restaurant. Next we go for the CSS design. I focused on making the website modern and visually balanced using these CSS techniques. Flexbox layout for aligning and spacing elements. However, for buttons and cards, color palette golden, yellow and maroon to represent food warmth and richness. Box shadow and broader radius to give smooth 3D card effect. Responsive media queries make the layout adjust perfectly on mobile devices. Example here is medias. The entire layout automatically adjusts to any screen, whether the desktop, tablet, or the mobile. The Flexbox and media queries ensure that the design remains neat and functional. Through this project, I gained a practical experience in structuring context using HTML5 schematic element, styling and layouts using CS3 and Flexbox, implementing responsive design, enhancing user experience with visual effects. Overall, Bits and Bytes is a complete responsive restaurant website that demonstrates both creativity, technical understanding. Here is the output. Bits and Bytes. Here is the entry page: delicious food, great atmosphere, fresh, healthy, and always tasty. Here is our special dishes. Then we can go to menu by clicking view menu, or we can go through clicking menu. Here is menu that divided into appetizers, main course and desserts. Appetizers containing 3 dishes: pizza, french fries and soup with the prices and the images. Main course containing dosa, roti and puri having prices with the photos. Desserts containing ice creams, cheesecake and sweet. Customer can book by contact with the restaurant. They can enter their name, their email address, and anything message that they can type. It's good or something they can type and send message. Here is the location to the restaurant, and here is the location details like phone number, email, and how many hours will the restaurant open. Home page. The home page is designed to give a great first impression to the visitor. It starts with a navigation bar at the top of the end. It includes restaurant logo and the links to main sections like home page or contact. Then we have hero section that include large background and delicious food, great atmosphere. Next we have the menu page. Next is the menu page, which is divided into three categories like appetizers, main course, and desserts. These cards have over animation for a smoother user experience, like it animate like this. The layout is made using Flexbox, which allows items to adjust automatically different size, screen, and it is having images also. Next, we have the contact page. The contact page allows customers to reach the restaurant easily. It includes a contact form with a field for the user name, email, and a message, and it is also having a map. The visual design and responsive to handle through CSS. Some of the key features of Flexbox, hover effects, responsive media queries. The entire website is built using HTML5 and CS3. No external frameworks were used, which means every section's animation and layout was manually coded by me. All images are royalty free food images used to make the UI visually appealing. Responsive demo. When the website is viewed on the smaller screen like tablets or phones, the navigation bar turns into a vertical layout and dish cuts stack neatly, maintaining perfect readability and design consisting. Through this project, I learned structure web pages using HTML5, schematic style using Flexbox and CSS, create responsive layout to look good on devices, and how design and color choice affects user experience. Bits and Bytes demonstrate my understanding of front-end web development and my ability to design a functional and visually appealing restaurant website. Thank you.